All right, good Monday afternoon, everyone. Let's do a quick weather update for you. Today started off on a raucous note, and I'm up to my second can of Diet Mountain Dew today. It was an early morning with storms rolling into the valley a little after daybreak this morning, and some of this did lead to some tree damage locally, just in a couple of spots, and there were some flash flooding issues earlier on today. Things are quiet this afternoon, though. I'll tell you, the atmosphere was kind of robbed of a lot of things that it had going for it in terms of producing severe weather this afternoon. In other words, the atmosphere has been kind of worked over a little bit, and therefore, because of the stormy start we had to the day, the afternoon should not be that bad. It's warm, it's humid, but it is dry here in Niles as well. We had some rainfall totals this morning, particularly right around downtown Youngstown, that were well over an inch. Up on our roof here at the station, we had over an inch and a half worth of rain. In fact, 1.65. I had 0.72 in Boardman, half an inch or so Austintown. So amounts were highest northern Mahoning, southern parts of Trumbull County earlier on today. All that action is gone, and we've got a 10 to 20% chance of a passing shower for the rest of the day today. But largely, the rest of the day will be nice and quiet locally as our focus becomes a little more on the heat and the humidity. In the meantime, severe weather possibility, I-95 corridor from the nation's capital right up through Boston and up into Maine this afternoon. A lot of hail-producing storms and some wind damage a possibility as well. Boy, it's toasty out there. 81 in Sharon, 84 in Boardman, Berlin Center 86, Salineville 83, and up in Mespo it's 83 degrees. The dew points are elevated, but watch what happens as we go into tonight and tomorrow. Whoosh, here comes the dry air, and it's going to feel a lot different tomorrow. It's going to feel much nicer. A much more comfortable air mass heading our way for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and even Wednesday will be pretty comfortable as well. Take advantage of this while you can, because big changes are coming at the end of the week and into the weekend. This is the dew point charts showing dew points in the 60s and perhaps 70s Friday and over the weekend, and this is only part of the story. The temperature will probably be as warm as it's been in about 4 years here. I think we could touch 92 or 93 Friday, Saturday, perhaps Sunday as well. So at least 2 days where we're going to be into territory we haven't been in since 2012. Much more on that on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening. Be sure and check out my forecast this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11, and enjoy the rest of your Monday.